Hi everybody, it's Miss Pollock, and today I'm going to talk to you about increasing and decreasing speed and the graphs. So, first we have the increasing speed in a positive direction. This is what the position time graph shows. And you can tell if you look at the slope of this graph, the slope is increasing and the slope is positive. Those things tell me that I will have a increasing positive velocity. So the graph for that would be I'm starting at 0 and I'm increasing. I'm moving away from 0. I'm speeding up. I can look at the slope of this graph, and the slope of this graph is constant and positive, and that tells me I will have a constant positive acceleration. And so my graph will be constant and positive. Let's go on to the next one. Decreasing speed in a positive direction. That's what the position time graph looks like. I can look at the slope of this line. The slope of this line is decreasing. Starts out with a really big slope, ends up with a smaller slope, and the slope of this line is also positive. This tells me that I will have a decreasing positive velocity. So the graph for this one will look like this. It's a positive velocity because it's above 0. It is in the positive part of my velocity graph. All right, when I look at the slope of this, I see that the slope is constant, but this slope is negative. This tells me I will have a constant negative acceleration. So this is what my acceleration graph would look like. All right, going on to the next one. Increasing speed in a negative direction. I can look at this slope, and the slope of this line is increasing and negative. This tells me I will have a increasing negative velocity. So I have to be under the horizontal graph, under the horizontal line, for it to be negative, and it's going to be increasing. So my speed starts at 0 and it increases. Excuse me, sorry, it is negative because it is under the horizontal line. I can't believe I burped. I'm really sorry. Okay, so let's look at the slope of this line. Well, I just ate lunch, that's why I burped. The slope is constant and negative, which means I'm going to have a constant negative acceleration. So my graph will look like this. All right, the last one, decreasing speed in a negative direction. So again, I'm going to look at the slope. My slope is decreasing. It's getting more and more shallow, and my slope is negative. This tells me I will have a decreasing negative velocity, and so I have to be under the horizontal line and I'm going to be going towards 0. I am decreasing my velocity. I am slowing down. If I look at the slope, I see the slope is constant and negative. So I'm going to have my slope is not negative. My slope is constant and positive. So I'm going to have a constant positive acceleration. And that's what it would look like. Okay, I hope this helps. I hope you have a great day. See you soon.